We're following up on the impact a community activist is still having in Prince George's County months after his death. Cornelius McDonald was shot and killed in December outside Jasper's restaurant in Largo. Alexis Wainwright spent time tonight with people who knew McDonald best, and they are committed to carrying on his work.
Cornelius McDonald would have turned 34 Friday, and one thing we've heard from his friends and family from day one is he was passionate about the work he did in the community. And despite this heartbreaking loss, they are all determined to keep his legacy moving forward.
Fists raised, and it's like thousands of people around him. It was in that defining moment, actually. He was able to shift the narrative.
Although they've been friends for years, it was this moment in 2020 when Darius Baxter realized his friend Cornelius McDonald was living in his purpose to fight against gun violence and lead young people.
He was the person that was really the pioneer of that, and you see that in the photos.
McDonald, who is better known as Neal, was a community advocate known for the work he did to help any and everyone. He was shot and killed in Prince George's County in December.
Remembering Neal.
He was a family success coach and supervisor at Good Projects DC, a nonprofit that empowers families fighting poverty. He was passionate about gun violence prevention and mental health. And he started a nonprofit, Stay Solid, that focuses on kids and young adults' everyday mental health struggles.
I saw personally how hard Neal worked to bring to life Stay Solid.
The focus now is continuing the work he did.
In 2025, here we are traveling around the country again, continuing both the legacy of Neal, all the people that have been on the ground, having committed another $100,000 this year to invest in activist artists organizers.
Baxter is joined by those same people Neal touched, who are now showing up and carrying on his work.
It feels great because I know I'm not alone.
For those who didn't get to meet him, and when they hear his name, what do you want them to remember most about him?
And it was a solid dude. He loved deeply, he was passionate, he was loyal, he was committed. He did the work both publicly that was needed to be done, but more importantly, that was probably only 10% of it. He did the things that were behind the scenes.
Now, the man accused of shooting and killing McDonald is 35-year-old Terrell Bailey. He has been indicted on a murder charge. He's supposed to stand on trial in June. Alexis Wainwright, back to you.